Here's what's on the table. Heavy rain, the possibility of wind gusts over 50 miles per hour, and even some quarter-sized hail. As you can see, the Storm Prediction Center has outlined some level of risk for severe weather, and that's why tonight into tomorrow morning have been declared impact days, and that just means there's a higher chance the weather will impact your normal routine. This green color here is a level 1 of 5 on the scale, and you have the yellow color there. That's a level 2 of 5, and all that means is where the chances of seeing severe weather, the parameters, the type of severe weather will still be the same, and that elevated risk for severe weather goes through Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, and even through Texas too. Here's the system right now, the bulk of it to the north, seeing some isolated showers and thunderstorms develop to the south. And look, there's even a tornado watch in place for parts of Tennessee and Mississippi, and with a few of the yellow polygons there, those are severe thunderstorm warnings, and we just got word of our first tornado warning there just north of Memphis. So they have an elevated risk of severe weather here in central Alabama. That risk will weaken as the system pushes east. But you can see the WVTM 13 live Doppler there in advance is picking up on that first storm just north and west of Hamilton, moving eastward into Franklin and parts of Lauderdale County too. There is about some ping pong sized hail within that storm, but it's going to weaken as it pushes eastward. We'll start to see that first initial wave start to really move into parts of Winston and Marion and northern Lamar County as early as 9 p.m. this evening. By 11 p.m., we're talking about Etowah County, Blount, Coleman, Walker, Fayette, Tuscaloosa, down to Pickens and parts of Lamar County. And then everybody gets their fair share of showers, weakening storms by 3 a.m. Monday morning. So overnight, you might hear a few rumbles of thunder, but East Alabama should not see any significant severe weather. This is 9 a.m. Monday, most of it dry, and then we're completely clear by 12 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at the timing one more time. So northwest Alabama, this includes Lauderdale, Franklin County, parts of Marion County too, between 4 p.m. and 9 p.m., 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. for parts of Etowah, Blount, Coleman, down to Walker and Lamar counties. Midnight to 3 a.m. for Shelby, as far east as Talladega, Tuscaloosa, Greene, and Hale counties, and then a little bit later in the morning as we work our way into extreme South Alabama. The reason that level 2 and level 1 threat is mainly for northwest Alabama is due to all of the instability, but even this is on the lower end of the scale, and it's going to weaken pretty quickly. So by midnight, we could be seeing our last little bit of thunderstorms in southwest Alabama before all of it starts to really weaken and it just becomes more of that rain. Here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures as we make our way over the next 7 days after this rain will be warming. 78 the high on Tuesday, 72 Wednesday, 75 Thursday, and potentially all the way up to 80 by the time we get into Friday. And then next weekend, we can see the occasional shower and storm, but as of now, nothing significantly severe.